but your shadow stayed. And now it's only your name, only your name. There was one thing left unsaid, hidden deep inside my head. You took every sunrise away, only sleepless nights would stay, only memories remain, falling down like heavy rain. You stole every season too, now the storm just sings of you. Only your name echoes in my brain, only your touch running through my veins. Even the rain keeps calling you back. I'm just a soul fading into black. Never knew what changed that day, how many dreams just slipped away. 1,000 stories burned to dust, a shattered heart, a broken trust. I wonder if you smile tonight, if your new world still feels alright. But every star above me knows without you, nothing really glows. And my whole body fell asleep, only restless eyes could weep. Felt like I was almost gone, only breathing carried on. You picked every flower creep, left the branches cold and mean. You blew out every light we knew, only ashes pulled me through. Your name still carved inside my heart tonight. Your name keeps haunting me under city lights. Your name, even silence screams the same. I lost myself, but kept your name. There was one thing left unsaid, buried deep inside my head. You took every door,